In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Google Docs, ensuring your documents have that neat and professional look. We'll explore two simple methods, using the toolbar and utilizing the menu. So, let's get started. First, let's dive into the method using the toolbar. Begin by selecting the text you wish to justify. If you want to apply this format to your entire document, you can easily do so by pressing Ctrl+A on a Windows computer or CMD+A on a Mac. This shortcut highlights everything, saving you time and effort. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your document. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like sets of horizontal lines. This is the Align button. It's located right next to the font options, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this button. A small menu will appear with several alignment options. To justify your text, choose the option that displays straight lines on both sides. This feature ensures that your text aligns evenly on the left and right margins, giving it a clean and organized appearance. Now let's explore another way to achieve justified text using the menu method. Begin by highlighting the specific text you intend to format. Again, if you want to justify the entire document, you can use the Ctrl+A or CMD+A shortcuts depending on your operating system. Next, glance up to the top of your screen where you'll find a series of menus. Click on the Format menu. This action opens a drop-down with a variety of formatting options. Hover your cursor or click on Align and Indent from this list. As you do so, a sub-menu will appear with more alignment options. Here, select Justified to evenly align the text you highlighted. This menu method is particularly useful if you're already exploring other format-related adjustments, allowing you to manage all your formatting needs in one go. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient guide to justify text in your Google Docs document. Whether you prefer using the toolbar for quick action or the menu for a comprehensive approach, both methods will give your document a polished and balanced look. Remember, justifying your text is a great way to enhance readability and lend a more professional touch to your written work. So, next time you want to prepare a document that stands out, remember these simple steps to achieve perfectly aligned text. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing the presentation of your documents. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy writing!